YouTube, it's Monday. I came to clean my station. I'm gonna cut one head first though. I got my little big brother with me. Smack buddy. See what I mean?
Hey, let me tell you, y'all gonna see a lot more content with us. A lot more content.
I don't even know, dude.
Look at the height difference. Stand up. Get in here, little bro. It's my little brother. Stop.
Anyway, let's get to the content.
YouTube.
Hold on, man.
You smack your mama and your granny.
Uh-oh.
How you
We cleaning today.
I got the mic on.
So,
I'm
finna clean this station out. Before we get started, I gotta get rid of some stuff. So, you know what? I'm gonna clean it out first, and then we gonna see what we got. I'm gonna show y'all how to actually clean y'all station. Smell this.
What that is, Barber cologne?
You feel me? Yes. The gold one though.
I've been hearing about this. They got something serious.
I know, boy. Hey, if you ain't got barber cologne, go get you some. You feel me?
Era Barber. Make sure y'all tap in.
You feel me?
Make sure y'all tap in. Come get a come get a cut at Era Barber Studio. Wait, what's your address for here?
265 North Federal Street.
North Federal Street?
Yep.
265 North Federal Street. Hey, make sure y'all tap in. Come get a cut by Cruze, Jazz, Taya Hoseway, at Era Barber Studio at 265 North Nevada Arrow Street or whatever.
Hold up, bro. You gotta at least
what's folks' name?
Ashton.
I said Jazz Taya Hoseway. 265 what street?
265 North Federal Street.
North Federal.
You dig?
Make sure y'all tap in. Come get a cut by Tino, Jazz, Ashton, and Hoseway. You feel me?
Hoseway.
At Era Barber Studios. You feel me? They got their own studio, you know, at 265 North Federal. You feel me? Right off the highway. Right off the highway. You taking a trip. You might want to pull over and get a cut right quick.
You feel me?
You might be going to Nevada. You want to look brisk, be on your way to Nevada. You feel me? Make sure y'all do that on the G's. No, don't try to fix it now. I've been told you to fix it. Oh, bro.
Why you ain't tell me to fix it?
No, I've been told you to fix it.
You told me you can't even see my shoulders.
Hey, for all you hot breath fools out there. Make sure you got a mint in your mouth when you cut in hair. Because I know if I'm your client, your breath stink, I'm going to let you know. Like, come on now.
Facts.
You got to keep up with your hygiene. Make sure your breath is smelling good at all times. You feel me? Cruze trying to be like me and stuff. He got the pack of mints.
Hold up. Chill out, bro.
You know, we in Arizona. You feel me? What if Devin Booker come in here and be like, let me get a cut. Breath on 10. BO on 10. You feel me? That's $5,000 right there. Down the drain.
5,000? The math ain't laughing, little twin.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. If Devin Booker walk in my shop, I'm charging that at least $400.
Why you gotta charge him? Why you gotta charge him extra?
It's Devin Booker.
So?
That run around tunnels just to get at.
What you need? Blaze? I got you. I got a Babyless Blaze. Come on, man. You need an extra foil for your Uno? I got you. Babyless? Come on, man. Numerous Babyless. Yeah. numerous JRL. You feel me? This was in my station. I'm just letting y'all know. JRL.
It's JRL.
You need an Oster blade.
That's a taper blade.
I got you. That is a taper blade.
JRL got fade blades.
You feel me? I got Andis. You know, you got to keep an Andis on your station all the time.
All the time.
You feel me? You feel me? I got people card in here just in case, you know, I need to reach out to some reps. Come on, man. I got tools. Keep you a screwdriver on you.
Here,
Keep it on you.
Every real barber, they got a bagless screwdriver. You know the circle one?
Yep, that's what I use in every video, actually.
I tell you, every real barber got that.
Every real barber got extra blades. Babyless. Come on, man. 22 and 24 teeth. What you need? You feel me? Keep you some King Clipper mods in your station. Yeah, we got a package.
Message.
Just from Illzien. You ain't never bought nothing from Illzien. So he waiting to see what it is.
Oh, it's a match.
Yeah.
Oh, that's that new match we're talking about.
Hold on, get your hands up here. What? Hey, almost gave Buddy a black eye. Yeah.
That's weak.
No, this mat thinner than my other one. And there's less places for the hair to get caught in. Yes, sir. That's fire.
You gotta
see it.